Hi everyone, especially our wonderful seniors who are always with us. Did you know there are deadly mistakes when it comes to consuming eggs that many of you make without even realizing it? Mistakes that could lead to severe food poisoning or, in the worst case scenario, a heart attack. But you're lucky this video has found its way to you because we'll go through all these mistakes and provide solutions for each one. Let's get started. Raw or undercooked egg consumption. Eating raw or undercooked eggs is one of the serious mistakes that can put an individual's health at risk. Raw or undercooked eggs may contain bacteria such as salmonella, which can cause food poisoning. These bacteria are present in eggs and can easily enter the digestive system through the consumption of raw eggs. The symptoms of salmonella poisoning can include fever, diarrhea, abdominal pain, vomiting, and nausea. These symptoms can be very unpleasant and in some cases even life-threatening. Properly cooking eggs can effectively reduce the risk of salmonella infections. In this case, both the egg white and yolk become completely firm, minimizing the likelihood of bacterial contamination. Cracked or damaged eggs. Eggs with cracked or damaged shells should be avoided. The eggshell acts as a protective barrier that prevents bacteria and contaminants from entering the egg. When the eggshell cracks or breaks, this natural protection is compromised, allowing harmful microorganisms and bacteria to enter the egg. Even if the egg appears to be fine with only minor cracks on the shell, these cracks may be enough to allow bacteria to enter and contaminate the egg. Consuming these eggs can lead to food poisoning and gastrointestinal illnesses. This risk is especially higher if the eggs have not been stored under proper hygienic conditions. Therefore, when purchasing eggs, be careful not to buy damaged ones, and if they crack while you handle them, it is best to dispose of them. Frying eggs with unhealthy oils. Frying eggs with unhealthy oils is a common mistake that can negatively affect heart health. Many oils, especially those containing trans fats or saturated fats, can gradually increase the risk of heart disease and raise levels of bad cholesterol. These fats are easily absorbed by the eggs during frying, and excessive consumption can lead to various health problems. You might have heard about high cholesterol in eggs and assumed that the egg itself is the reason for the increase in cholesterol, but you're mistaken. If you fry eggs daily, a large amount of these oils enters your body, adding unwanted calories that are the main cause of elevated cholesterol levels, leading to heart disease. Washing eggs before storage. Washing eggs before storage is a common mistake that may reduce their quality and increase the risk of contamination. While this might seem like a hygienic practice, washing eggs can allow bacteria to enter the egg, especially if the eggshell is not intact. The eggshell naturally has a protective layer called the cuticle, which prevents bacteria and contaminants from entering the egg. If you wash the egg before storing it, this protective layer is removed, and bacteria can enter the egg. Particularly if the eggs are not properly dried, any remaining moisture can promote bacterial growth. Eating old eggs. Using old eggs can pose health risks because these eggs may have spoiled, allowing bacteria and microbes to grow easily inside them. Old eggs typically lose their quality over time and, when stored improperly, increasing the risk of contamination by bacteria. Want to tell if an egg is old or still fresh? Here's a simple method. Place the egg in a bowl of water. A fresh egg will sink to the bottom, while an old egg will float to the surface. If this happens, it's best to discard it. Throwing away the egg yolk. Throwing away the egg yolk is a common mistake that can result in the loss of highly valuable nutrients. The yolk contains protein, vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and healthy fats that are beneficial for skin health, brain function, immune system support, and even heart health. However, some people discard the yolk for various reasons, including concerns about fat and cholesterol. Despite this, many still hold on to old beliefs, thinking that eggs are the feared culprit that raises cholesterol. I recommend watching the video that appears above to learn more about the benefits of consuming the whole egg. Cooking eggs at high temperatures. Cooking eggs at very high temperatures is another common mistake that can lead to a decrease in their nutritional quality and the formation of harmful compounds. When eggs are cooked at high heat for prolonged periods, some of their heat-sensitive nutrients, such as vitamin B12 and folate, may be destroyed. Additionally, high heat can lead to the formation of harmful chemicals like acrylamide, which can form when food is cooked at high temperatures and, when consumed in excess, may increase the risk of cancer. It's important to cook eggs at moderate temperatures to preserve their nutritional benefits and avoid harmful substances. So don't do these mistakes, and don't forget to like and subscribe.